You just received a spam text message and you're wondering how you can report it as spam and how to block this number so it can never text you again. That's what you're going to learn in this video. Hey everyone, if we haven't met before, my name is Audrey and I'm on a mission to simplify tech for seniors. So if this video helps you out in any way, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe. It's completely free to subscribe to our channel. And if you know of anyone that this video could help, why not share it with them? Let's jump right in and let me show you how to get that number reported and blocked. So you'll want to find your text messaging app icon and we're going to open up our text messages. And this number right here, I got this yesterday. I don't know who this is. So what you're going to do is find the text message and click on it. Open that up. Now, just by opening up a text message, you're not going to be downloading any spyware or malware. It's usually when you click on any links, maybe even call a number or download anything. Okay, so I don't want you to be fearful of just opening up the text message. Okay, so once you have that open, what you're going to do is you're going to just tap on the number at the top and then it opens up the contact card. Right down here is block. That's the first thing that we want to do is block the contact. So go ahead and tap on that and tap once again, block contact. Now you'll notice up here that the number is blocked, but now we want to go back and we want to report it. So just tap on this back arrow and now we're going to tap on report spam. Now, when you report it, this text message will be completely gone and this number will not be able to message you anymore. So let's delete and report as spam and it is gone. And that's it. You have now just blocked a number and reported it as spam. Hey, real quick, I just want to talk to all of my 50 plus community out there. My brother Ben and I have created a free community that you can join where you can ask us all sorts of questions about social media, about all this new technology, AI, GPT. It's completely free and we jump on there every day and share really valuable and beneficial information. Also, it's going to be a great place for you to be able to meet other people that are learning all about this technology as well. And so I would love to invite you to head on over to school.com/Rockin' Tech Club and join us over there. I'll also share a link below this video so that you can just click on that and head right over to the school community. That's where we will answer your questions and you will get help from real live human beings. So we look forward to seeing you over there. And once again, if this video helps, be sure to hit the subscribe button and remember it's completely free and be sure to share it with your loved ones who you know would benefit from this video. Until next time, y'all be blessed. Bye.